Kia ora, no tūranga nui a kiwa hau. Ko Ngāti Kahungunu Rawa, ko Tūhoi Ngaiwi, ko Jordan Walker Tukunua. Yeah, I've been working with festivals and events for over 10 years. And I've always just been a general festival crew worker, like a site crew worker, someone that no one ever sees at all, just in the background. Coming over to Toi Māori with this internship has been massive because I've made this impossible jump from a general festival crew worker into a producer intern. And now coming out of this, I'm most likely going to stick to being a producer. I've been working with Te Tairāwhiti Arts Festival, which means so much to me, to not just be working in my hometown, but to be working within the arts. I never thought that would be imaginable at all. I've been working with Tama Waipara, which is huge. He hasn't been my mentor, but he has been, I think, unknowingly mentoring me along the way. So that's been massive. Edwina Ashwell is my mentor. She's our operations director. We also have Rebecca Knox, who's our technical director, Rose McGranigan, who's our program manager. Then we had Kerry Donovan as well, who's our marketing and comms. I was given the task of programming and producing a week-long whānau day event. This very long title. Te Pūtahi, the Trust Tairāwhiti Festival Hub. So I had to program musicians, workshops, vendors for 7 days. And that was massive. It was beautiful. I also worked with Tairāwhiti, so just holding relationships, and Miri Boynton handed that on to me, holding relationships with 10 of our artists. And I also worked with Witis Wahine, so I did just same sort of thing, holding relationships, administrative stuff. It's just going to sound funny, but the networking, like I wasn't really after that. I wasn't after more than what I was already presented with, but I've just been introduced to so many people. I feel like a door's been opened for me to another world. And it's really close and good for me because I want to connect more with Te Ao Māori, and that's given that opportunity, straight out the gate. Be open-minded. I guess knowing the other interns, the structures are obviously all very different. So just be open-minded and be prepared to take on whatever it is that you're offered because it's a massive opportunity.